all in all,
great.
something good to hear this Tuesday morning.
Yeah, that is so nice. Good,
Yes.
good.
Well,
Yeah.
hopefully something good in the weather department as well.
Okay, well, today's not going to be too bad. It's going to be dry. We're going to see a few more clouds around, but take a look at what's happening already. Flood alerts issued for north of San Francisco, the North Bay up through Eureka. Heavy rain is expected. Some areas could see as much as 10, 11, 12 inches of rain. It is possible. That's due to this developing low pressure system. It is called a bomb cyclone because it's a quick developing strong storm, and that's going to begin for those areas as early as tonight. We will stay dry, but we'll begin to see a little bit of that moisture flow in here for today in the way of some clouds. So we will have some increasing clouds after this chilly start, but that bomb cyclone will bring us some weekend rain. In fact, even tomorrow for some parts of our area, the northern communities, you could see some rain around here for tomorrow. We get a break in Thursday, and then especially Friday into Saturday. That's where we're looking at some heavier rain. And we're basically looking at 1 to 2.5 inches of rain area wide. So it could be a lot worse. There's a lot of things happening to the north of us. So we're going to be on the their end of that system, and it will continue to weaken as it moves this way. So we're looking at those temperatures this morning around the bay, this afternoon, I should say, in the upper 50s. So it's still going to be a little on the cool side there. And here's what we're looking like everywhere. We're staying in the upper 50s to around 60. The warm spot will be Bradley with 63 degrees. So we will see those increasing clouds, not as bright and sunny as it was yesterday. And that is all that moisture that's streaming in from the northwest. Here we go for tomorrow morning. You can see where that moisture already beginning to sag southward into the area. And it's mostly going to be for our northern communities north of Monterey Bay. And we're seeing some yellow pockets here too. So some moderate rainfall could be happening here too. This is at 4 o'clock. We're looking between Boulder Creek, Santa Cruz, even up through Morgan Hill. So expect mostly cloudy skies with some rain showers around your area. Then we get a break as that kind of lifts back up to the north. So Thursday, we're expecting to be dry, but take a look at this, a powerful storm system that will continue to strengthen, and we're seeing that moisture with this cold front tapping into that atmospheric river, bringing in more moisture. That's why we're expecting all that rain for Northern California. As this continues to track in this way, by the weekend, it will begin to weaken, and this cold front will begin to sag south into the central coast, and that's what's going to bring us some rain. We can't rule out maybe a thunderstorm. We're going to see some instability, some strong winds. Watch as we head into Friday and Saturday how these tight lines get closer together. That tells you how strong the winds are. So here's this cold front over top of us for Friday afternoon through Saturday, and that's when we expect to see the highest amount of rain for this area. And again, we're looking at anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, maybe a little bit higher in those higher elevations. This first round for Wednesday, you can see it's pretty much going to stay for our northern communities, and we are looking by Thursday morning, possibly some of these areas here for Boulder Creek, even Santa Cruz, possibly up to 1.5 inches there. So if you do add on to that after the weekend, of course, those amounts will be higher for total precip. Here's a look at your forecast. Then we are looking at those numbers staying on the cool side. Dry today and then increasing moisture, especially as we head into tomorrow morning. Those winds will begin to pick up as well, especially for Santa Cruz County. We're looking at 54 for Aptos, Marina 58 degrees. As we head into the peninsula, we're looking at the upper 50s to the low 60s. Inland, it's going to be cool here, upper 50s to the low 60s. Your 7-day forecast, just expect kind of a rainy, raw weekend all weekend long, and it looks like the chance for some rain will continue into next week. So definitely some unsettled weather with those cool numbers and some windy conditions. Same inland, look at this, all weekend long. Boy, we don't see this that often, do we? Although the rainy season is here, and that's definitely what we're seeing for the weekend.